EliHR is implemented on Microsoft 365. With EliHR, you're able to check applied leave, birthdays, and public holidays. To view your personal and employment details, such as leave balances. Also, access all authorized shared documents. Dashboard is a control center to manage and monitor all employees and individual requests. Location-based daily attendance system and monthly record. To apply leaves. To add projects that your company is handling. To create and submit monthly claims. To create personal daily performed tasks timesheet. To request a service from related department. You can enjoy dark mode feature. Be digital in human resources too. EliHR is available on Play Store and App Store. Contact us today.